Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea from New Age teaching technique by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is My Family from NCERT Class 4, Chapter 6. The subject is English and the time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. So, the innovation is to bring ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy. This idea helps in building interconnection among the concept being taught by replacing the actual names with the allotted name for a particular time period. So, the concept is to revise vocabulary, adjectives, and gender. For this activity, teacher choose individual names for each student in the class, assign these names to the students, and the chosen names should have a scope for value addition. So after 2 days, teacher adds some value information to the names given to the students. For this activity, teachers need to make some chits with words like dish, man, girl, uncle, wife. Assign these names to the students and ask them to attach the chits on their shirts so that the names are visible to the other student. Everyone will be called by their assigned name for 2 days. Like student 1 is dish, so everyone will call him dish. Student 2 is man, so everyone call her or him man. So for 2 days everyone will be called by their assigned name. After 2 days, teacher adds some adjectives to the name like sweet dish, clever man, honest girl, uncle, aunt, husband, wife. Through this innovative idea, a student will learn to respond to simple instructions and announcements made in the class in English. They will learn the uses of noun and verbs, adjectives, preposition in speech and writing. This activity ensures the active participation of the students in the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. The core life skills that can be included are critical thinking and effective communication skills. Children with learning disabilities often struggle with remembering and retaining new academic words, so this will be a better way of learning. Slow learner will look into words, colors, or symbols frequently and will have a better retention. Children with autism are very rigid in terms of adapting to change. Through this activity, they learn adaptive skills and new information. For this activity, that's all. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. And you can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.